How to convert on OKX. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can convert your assets on OKX. Now the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide it through. First things first, you want to go ahead and open up your OKX account. Once here, you want to tap on the icon, the dot icon that you can see at the top left corner of the screen. Once you tap on it here, now if you scroll down below under trade, you can see the very first option that says convert. So you want to simply tap on convert. Now you'll get the option that says from and to. You can see select available crypto, convert with available crypto from your funding and trading accounts without transferring funds. So I don't have any available here, but if you do have and you want to convert it, you want to tap on this from option. You want to tap on the arrow icon there, and then you want to select the assets that you own, and then once you do so, you want to tap on to and you want to select the asset that you wish to convert to. So suppose you have Bitcoin and now you want to convert it to Ethereum. You want to select it, and you can see you'll get the rate as well. So you want to go ahead and go to the prompts, confirm it, and you'll be good to go. In my case, I haven't completed my verification, so I won't be able to do so, or I won't be able to proceed any further, but this is how you can do it. So hope this helps you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues as well.